Good evening everybody. I thought I'd just do a really short video showing you how to load your data into SPSS for the first time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch SPSS. If you're a Swinburne Online student, then the version number of SPSS that you're using is not critical. I've used version 24. Anything version 20 plus should be fine. Now, unless your file appears down here, we could go to open another file. Now the particular file that I want is not actually an SPSS file, so I've gone to all files and I'm going to click on this one here. Now because it's an Excel file, it should give me this chance here to have a look and see if we've got the correct version of our file here. That all looks good, so I'm going to press OK. And this data set is one I put together from Twitter. So if you're in Australia, you went to the polls a couple of weeks ago to elect a new federal government. And at basically every polling place, there's a barbecue where they sell sausages to raise money for various community organisations. The hashtag democracy sausage on Twitter was trending quite strongly. So what I've done is I've drawn out the tweets from Twitter and counted them up for each day and hour in this particular data set, which runs from the 29th of June to the 2nd of July, which was election day. So we've got the number of tweets here, and we also have the average sentiment. So sentiment tracking and sentiment analysis is a way of putting a number around a particular body of text in order to indicate whether you have positive or negative sentiment. So positive sentiment might be, hey, that was a great sausage, I love democracy. A negative sentiment may be, oh, I'm throwing up now, that was a really terrible idea. Okay, so that's our sentiment there. Now, we can do a couple of things. I won't go into too much here, but if we go, say, to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, we'll go to Descriptives. We'll look at the number of tweets here. We'll choose our options. We'll take the standard deviation. I like kurtosis and skewness. And press OK. And then we get some descriptive statistics for the number of tweets. We have 73 observations. The minimum number of tweets we have was 1. The maximum was 1600 during a particular hour. On average, over the entire data set, there was 228 or 229 tweets. Okay, some positive skewness, which would make a lot of sense, and some heavy tails there. So that's just a basic rundown about how you can load data into SPSS, and thanks for listening.